hearing this weird noise outside. Well, it's the sound of some kind of animal, and I won't be able to take pictures of it because it's dark out, but I want to record the sound. I don't know what it is, but it sure is weird sounding. It's like right in my yard. What the heck makes that noise? Sounds like a bunch of them, whatever it is. Weird. The heck is it? It's loud, whatever it is. It's like right over it where my shed is. They're calling back and forth to each other.